Take a slow, deep breath. As you inhale, invite peace into your mind. As you exhale, let go of stress, fear, and self-doubt. These affirmations are more than just words. They are gentle reminders of the truth that already exists within you. Don't rush through them. Allow each affirmation to settle into your heart. If you can, repeat each one aloud after me. Let's begin. I am peaceful and whole. I choose peace over chaos. I don't need to chase perfection because I am already complete. Every experience, every lesson, and every challenge has shaped me into the person I am today. Even if life feels uncertain, my soul remains calm. I accept myself completely, knowing that nothing is missing within me. I am proof enough of who I am and what I deserve. I no longer seek validation from the outside world. My worth is not measured by other people's opinions, achievements, or expectations. My existence alone is enough. I deserve respect, kindness, happiness, and love simply because I exist. I trust that I am already enough. I am responsible for myself, and I start there. I focus on what I can control instead of worrying about what I cannot. Every positive decision I make today creates a better tomorrow. I take responsibility for my choices, my mindset, and my actions. With every step forward, I become stronger, wiser, and more confident. I am safe and surrounded by love and support. Even when I feel alone, I remember that love exists around me. I allow myself to receive kindness from others. The universe, my loved ones, and my inner strength are always supporting me. I release fear and embrace trust. I am safe exactly where I am. I am still learning, so it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes do not define me. They teach me. Every successful person has failed before succeeding. I give myself permission to grow without expecting perfection. Every lesson makes me stronger than yesterday. I am understood and my perspective is important. My voice matters. My thoughts deserve to be heard. I express myself honestly and respectfully. Even if everyone doesn't understand me, my experiences are valid. I choose confidence over silence. I am valued and helpful. The kindness I offer creates a positive impact. Even small acts of compassion can change someone's day. I bring value wherever I go. My presence matters. The world is better because I choose to contribute with love. I am well rested and excited for the day. My body deserves rest. My mind deserves peace. Every new morning brings fresh opportunities. I wake up feeling grateful, energized, and ready to embrace life with confidence. Today is filled with possibility. I am worthy of investing in myself. Every moment I spend improving myself is never wasted. My dreams deserve my time. My health deserves my attention. My happiness deserves my effort. I choose to become the best version of myself every single day. I belong here and I deserve to take up space. I no longer shrink myself to make others comfortable. I have every right to dream, speak, grow, and succeed. My presence matters. I confidently stand in my truth without apology. I belong exactly where I am. I breathe in healing. I exhale the painful things that burden my heart. With every breath, my heart becomes lighter. I release emotional pain, disappointment, and regret. I choose healing over holding on. My soul deserves peace. Every breath renews my spirit with hope and love. I breathe in trust. I exhale doubt. I trust myself. I trust life's timing. I release the fear of uncertainty. Everything unfolds exactly when it is meant to. Faith replaces fear with every breath I take. I can be soft in my heart and firm in my boundaries. Kindness does not require self-sacrifice. I can love others while respecting myself. Healthy boundaries protect my peace. Saying no when necessary is an act of self-respect. I honor both compassion and strength. I can control how I respond to things that are confronting. Life will always present challenges, but I choose calm instead of reacting with fear. I pause before responding. My peace is more powerful than temporary emotions. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. I can hold two opposing feelings at once. It means I am processing. Healing isn't always simple. It is okay to feel hope and sadness at the same time. It is okay to feel grateful while still hurting. Every emotion deserves compassion. I allow myself the space to heal without judgment. I celebrate the good qualities in others and myself. Another person's success never takes away from mine. I choose inspiration instead of comparison. I appreciate my strengths while admiring the strengths of others. Abundance exists for everyone, including me. I deserve an affirming touch on my own terms. My body deserves respect. My comfort matters. Healthy affection is built on trust, kindness, and consent. I honor my personal boundaries and expect others to honor them too. I choose relationships that make me feel safe and valued. I deserve information and I deserve moments of silence too. Learning helps me grow. Silence helps me heal. I don't need constant noise to feel productive. I create space to reflect, recharge, and reconnect with myself. Balance brings wisdom. I deserve self-respect and a clean space. The way I treat myself shapes the life I create. I deserve an environment that supports peace and clarity. As I organize my surroundings, I organize my mind. I respect myself enough to care for both my inner and outer world. I do all things in love. Love guides my words. Love shapes my choices. Love strengthens my relationships. Even during difficult moments, I choose compassion over anger and understanding over judgment. Love is the energy that transforms my life. Take one final deep breath. Notice how you feel right now. Perhaps a little calmer, a little lighter, a little more hopeful than when you began. Remember, transformation doesn't happen in one day. It happens through small, consistent moments like these. Return to these affirmations every morning or every night. The more often you repeat them, the more deeply they become part of your mindset. If even one affirmation spoke to your heart today, write it down in the comments below. It might be exactly what someone else needs to read. And if this video brought you even a little peace, consider subscribing and joining this community of healing, growth, and self-love. Until next time, be kind to yourself, believe in your journey, and remember, you are enough. You always have been, and you always will be.